Staying present in your surroundings while traveling can be a real challenge sometimes. Actually, it's always a challenge. There's always something to think ahead to, always something to be excited about or worried about. And then there's the ever-present requirement to maintain our continual travel status. As they say, nothing in life is free, and up here, well, things aren't cheap. The summer has been a whirlwind of movement. And for us, movement translates into income. Income pays for it all.
Maybe we should do it when I get it.
This journey we're on, driving nearly 30,000 kilometers from the top of the Americas to the bottom, demands more than just wanderlust. It requires an immense amount of work. Every single day, we wake up, fuel ourselves with caffeine, and dive headfirst into that work, which doesn't stop until we collapse into bed at night. We don't give ourselves a whole lot of time to just stop. Honestly, we're not the best at balancing it all, especially me. I'm a self-confessed workaholic. What you see on your screen, the short films, the curated snapshots of life on the road, are real, but they're polished, tailored for the story we want to share. It's not that we're hiding the truth, we just don't think you need to see the mundane moments in between. The long hours of driving, the constant grind of filming, editing, making meals, packing up camp, moving, and building relationship, it all requires a colossal amount of time and energy. And it all kind of blurs together. Finding moments of true presence amid that whirlwind, well, that takes a lot of awareness and effort to carve out small slices of stillness. But the stillness, the presence, it slows the whole experience down, kind of helps to store it all. These past 3 months, we've moved camp nearly every single day, whether because of our schedule, the weather, the cold, or to meet up with friends. We've been constantly on the move. Life has been anything but slow for us lately. Ironically, it hasn't felt like the slow roamer life at all. So today, as we press south towards home, we've given ourselves permission to stop. To take a day and smell the air, listen to the wind, cook a proper meal, and simply watch the world go by. It's a moment of quiet, a chance to rest and reset. Hopefully this pause will clear our minds and calm our souls a little bit. We've managed, as we often try, to find a spot near water. There's something about the sound of flowing water that accelerates a sense of tranquility, as if the movement itself quiets our minds. Further south, the air has warmed noticeably, yet the crisp scent of fall still lingers, carried on the breeze, a reminder of change, of things in transition, much like us. It feels comforting and strange all at once. The path ahead is full of unanswered questions, shadows of uncertainty lurking just beyond our reach. We're about to dive into a culture completely foreign to us. Cultures, in fact, where language and customs will be unfamiliar, and the everyday rhythms will challenge the norms we've known all our lives. Experience has already taught us that cultural friction can build in the most subtle ways, where unspoken expectations clash and create tension. As outsiders, we'll have to navigate that delicate space, bending and adapting, learning to reconcile our expectations with a world that may not make room for them. In these quiet moments, there's a little voice within asking, is this the last moment of stillness we'll have for a while? Is this peace fleeting? A brief pause before a storm of discomfort and growth? Moments like these force us inward to face the low hum of anxiety that always comes with the unknown. But with enough time, enough practice, maybe we can learn to reshape that anxiety, transforming our fears into resolve and our discomforts into a willingness to embrace the unfamiliar, maybe to be reshaped by it. thanks for watching and following along. We're off to continue our adventure. So until the next one, keep on roaming. If you'd like to support us by putting fuel in our tank or food in our bellies, you can contribute on Patreon.